Today, I'm at the Crabtree Creek watershed, which feeds into Lake Crabtree. Lake Crabtree is part of the News River Basin, which is found in the Piedmont region of North Carolina. This creek opens up into a pond within this particular neighborhood, which opens us up to a several variety of study sites which we can sample from. We would like each study site to be a little bit different. One would include a benthic zone, one would include a shallow zone, and furthermore, if you are lucky to find different species of trees, shrubs, or grasses at different locations within their riparian zone, we recommend that you mark each one as a different study site. We have chosen this site as our example study site for this video purpose. We chose this site because it's a lot different from the sites around, and we all thought that it would offer a unique perspective on what this river has to offer. We noticed that this study site has pretty much no riparian zone coverage, with pretty much a little bit of grasses on the side, but we do notice that there is greenery in the water. With greenery in the water, we have to make sure we don't catch any tadpoles, fishes, or turtles, and if we do, remember to catch and release protocol for everything but macroinvertebrates. With respect to canopy coverage, we notice that there's almost none. We see that there is some tree coverage right here with this tree right here. I would say it's about 10%, but it's not much, so it would make it an independent factor in this site. Furthermore, before we start sampling, let's make sure we have our materials together. This is a shallow site, so we want to use a D-net. For your D-nets, it doesn't matter how big it is or small. You can honestly use boots and get in the water or sample from the side. But before we start sampling, we better make sure we have our first to-do list to go. And for that, we have to have our temperature, coordinates, date and time, and weather conditions. So you can use your phone, whatever phone it might be, or you can use a GPS or a Vernier LabQuest for this. In our case, we're going to use a phone. So what is our temperature for today?
89 degrees Fahrenheit.
89 degrees Fahrenheit means it's pretty hot. The water temperature would be certainly a little bit higher, so we should expect a little bit of lower DO levels. Also, was there rain last night?
No.
So the water turbidity should be low. If there is something different, then that shows out as an anomaly. But if we did have rain, let's make sure we note that down. What is our coordinates for today?
35.8177 latitude and negative 78.8606 longitude.
Perfect. We can plug that into the StreamWatch app just using your geotag location, or you can write that down as coordinates itself. And last but not least, what is the date and time for today?
The date is June 18th, Tuesday, 2019, and the time is 1:56 p.m.
So if it's 1:56 p.m., we can go ahead and round that up to 2 p.m. And what do you think our weather conditions are?
It's partially cloudy with about 50% overcast, so.
Perfect. We can plug that into our NC StreamWatch Plus app, and then we can go ahead with our research for today. Thank you.